Good day, aspiring medical professional, and welcome to the Apprentice Doctor. I am Dr. Anton, the founder and current director of the Apprentice Doctor, an organization with people passionate about assisting future medical professionals in reaching their goals and dreams. I have vast experience in clinical medicine, dentistry, and surgery, and have been practicing maxillofacial and oral surgery for most of my professional life, spanning over 40 years. We at the Apprentice Doctor count it a privilege to invest into your life, and we hope to give impetus to you pursuing your goals, while adding value to your application to medical or medical professional school. I hope that you will utterly enjoy the many hands-on medical experiences, that you will learn a lot, and that you will feel your passion and enthusiasm for medicine increase to a new level. We are confident that the Apprentice Doctor's unique hands-on courses will be of great value, whether you want assurance about following a career in medicine, or whether you need a reaffirmation of your desire to become a physician or surgeon. As a bare minimum, you will be adding something uniquely special to your portfolio, something that will help your portfolio stand out from the many impressive portfolios of your competitors. I hope you will enjoy acquiring many new medical and surgical skills. We at the Apprentice Corporation are looking forward to joining you on this part of your journey towards fulfilling your goals and dreams.